Hey yo, what's up, everybody? I know it can be complicating, especially when you subscribe to DSTV online and you realize that it's not working. Like, for example, in my site, I'm trying to log in to watch DSTV, and then when I go to live TV and click on all channels, I see a limited number of channels. That is frustrating. Usually, what I usually do is go to TV Guide and then watch the channels from DSTV Guide, but of which it's still uh, a complicated way of doing it. Sometimes this thing can work, sometimes it cannot work. Let me see for an example. If I watch this channel right here, will it play? This is the other way you can do it in watching DSTV if you can't find the channels that you want to watch. But I'll show you exactly how you can actually do it without going to DSTV Guide. You see what's happening? It says, sorry, this channel is not available on your package, of which I did add a smart card here. I did add a smart card, so I don't know what's happening. So usually this thing is caused by your browsing history. So for some reasons, when you continue browsing and browsing in the browser that you are using, I'm using Google Chrome. When you log in to watch DSTV, it's no longer going to show all the channels that you subscribe to. So what you're gonna do? Here's what you're gonna do. All right. Here's what you're gonna do. You're going to go to the options menu. Right there at the top right corner, going to go to the options menu, and then you're going to go to more tools, and then under more tools you're going to go to clear browsing data. Then it will bring you to this page right here, smaller block, and then you're going to click on all time. If it's written 1 hour, you're going to move it from 1 hour, or if it's written 24 hours or whatever, you're going to move it to all time, and then you're going to say clear data. Then after clearing the data, you're going to have to refresh your DSTV page. Now your DSTV page is going to want you to sign in. So you click sign in at the top right there. You click on sign in. Then you sign in with your details. Here my details are already captured because I've already saved it in my Google account when I log into my Chrome browser. So I'm going to sign in using my details, and then you can see now the channels are back. The channels that I wanted to watch are back. Yeah, these are the channels that I want to watch. So now I can watch any channels. It's no longer an issue. Let me show you an example. If I watch SABC1.
Ukuhambele phambili ukufuna kwebantu eSouth Africa babulawa i-COVID-19.
Mina into ngathi ingihambele phambili ukubhebhetheka kwe-corona nokubulawa kwabafazi ngingayishilo